Ever wondered how you can attract more pollinators to your garden? Pollinators play a vital role in the garden ecosystem, promoting healthier and more productive plants. Today, we will be sharing some practical tips on how to make your garden a pollinator paradise. The first step to attracting more pollinators is choosing the right plants. Native plants are crucial, as they've co-evolved with local wildlife and often provide the best sources of nectar and pollen. Including a diversity of plants that bloom at different times ensures a steady food supply throughout the seasons. Plants with different flower shapes and sizes cater to various pollinator preferences, attracting a wider range of species. Remember, the wider the variety of plants, the more diverse your pollinators will be. Now that you have your plants selected, let's move on to garden practices. It's critical to reduce or even eliminate pesticide use, as these can harm our pollinator friends. Don't forget to leave some bare soil for ground nesting bees and provide a water source. Creating habitats such as brush piles and bee houses can also provide a sanctuary for these creatures. Remember, your garden isn't just a garden, it's a home for wildlife. Implementing these practices will create a friendly environment for pollinators. Attracting pollinators to your garden doesn't have to be a challenge. By choosing diverse plants and adopting eco-friendly garden practices, you can invite a world of buzzing visitors. So why not give these tips a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!